The sun is shining brightly. This book is interesting. She is a talented artist. Pizza is my favorite food. The meeting is scheduled for 3 p.m. He is my best friend. Water is essential for life. The cat is sleeping on the windowsill. The exam is challenging. Winter is my preferred season. Coffee is a popular beverage. English is a global language. The answer is correct. Today is a special day. Mathematics is a subject I enjoy. The movie is starting soon. Technology is rapidly advancing. Happiness is a choice. The computer is on the desk. Learning is a lifelong process. Music is a universal language. The sky is clear today. Patience is a virtue. The key is on the table. Exercise is important for health. The dog is barking loudly. Nature is full of wonders. Time is of the essence. The solution is simple. Laughter is good for the soul.